Hello, this is week 13, page 1, and we're going to cover several of the pages in this packet here. Now, this first part's all about reducing fractions. And so we know that we can do this by hand by maybe looking at numbers that we can divide both the numerator and the denominator by. Right, and you can do it either step by step. For example, here we could divide both the numerator and denominator by 2 to get if I divide them both by 2, we get a 4 over 6 here. Then you may see that we can divide them both by 2 again, get a 2/3. All right, and also with this, you can think of this as if I just divided them both by 4 in the first place, take it right to that answer. You can either kind of do it step by step, or you can take as many steps as you want to reach your final answer. We also saw how we could complete this on the calculator, right, by typing in our fraction, helps our calculator keep straight on what we are typing in. We have 8 divided by 12, we hit it, gives us a decimal. Now the button combination is math, and then enter, so hitting enter twice, and it'll turn us into a fraction. You see that we have the same answer there. Okay? So that's going to be a way that we can check our work. I would encourage you to go through and try to finding both the numerator and denominator by a number first, and checking your answer with your calculator. Now, week 13, page 2, this is graphing lines to see where they will cross over. Solve systems of equations graphically. And we're going to look here at number 6. All right, and so I'm going to start with this line. We have the y is equal to 2. So that's telling us that we need to start on our y-axis. And we need to start at a... Now, this is one of those lines because I do not have a slope curve. That means I'll be as such. All right, and now what I'm going to do is to plot my other line and see where they will cross over 5. All right, and when we do that, and go down to the right. All right, and then we will take and we will connect. Okay. All right, so now I had to change some of these to kind of fit on to the page. Some of our coordinate points won't cross. That's okay. This is why we had other methods to solve for our systems of equations, such as elimination or substitution, because sometimes graphing doesn't always give us a clear picture. We tell that from a graph, so we're just going to do some estimating here. All right, so there's that page. Now, week 13, page 3, is about solving with distributing. Right now, we know that anytime we have a number outside of our parenthesis here, it wants us to take it and multiply both of them. Note here that the number it wants us to multiply through in this case is this -4. When I do this 6 times -4x, I get a -24. Add an x left over. -4 times 28. And here we are. 4. So once we get here, we're just down to a two-step equation. And that will give us a -24x. Now when I divide, I need to get rid of this negative. Is this negative divided by negative turned? That would be our final answer right there. All right. Now, similar is the last page, so week 13, page 4. We have some distributing as well as some combining like terms. So we'll look at the one all the way here at the bottom, number 8. Now, the number that I need to distribute into the 30s is not just 3. All right. So far, this is down. Now, negative 3 times an x. We know that that invisible coefficient is 1. The negative 3 equal to a negative 3. Okay? Now we have some like terms to combine. I can combine negative 2x and negative 3x. Since they're on the same side of the equation, I will combine them, put them together. You have a negative 5x. If I spent 2 and I spent 3, then once we do that, two-step equation. I'm going to need to take care of that addition and subtraction. So we'll subtract. And then when we divide both sides, we'll get that our x. Right. So that would be this week's packet at week 13, page 1, 2, 3, and 4.